Have you ever tried to flirt with a woman and ended up looking desperate, awkward, or just plain cringy? You know the feeling. The moment you try too hard, she rolls her eyes, laughs nervously, or disappears. What if I told you there's a psychological way to turn her on without ever being cringy? Today you'll learn the secrets most men don't know. Tricks rooted in psychology, biology, and attraction science. Modern dating isn't just about charm or smooth lines. It's about understanding human behavior, reading subtle cues, and triggering attraction on a subconscious level. In this video, you'll discover why most pickup lines fail, psychological triggers that make women desire you naturally, how to be confident, magnetic, and exciting without being cheesy. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable strategies to turn her on using psychology, not cringe, and watch attraction happen almost automatically. Section 1. The Psychology of Sexual Attraction. Before we dive into tricks, you need to understand how female attraction works. Men often make the mistake of focusing on the wrong things: looks, words, or humor. Here's the truth. Women are subconsciously attracted to signals of high value, confidence, and emotional contrast. 1. High-value signals. Women are wired to notice status, confidence, and dominance. Not dominance over her, but dominance in life. Confidence. Being comfortable in your skin, unshaken by small interactions. Status. Competence, ambition, or high social proof. Emotional strength. Ability to handle situations calmly. Mini cliffhanger. Most men focus on physical appearance or funny lines, but these signals matter more than anything else in turning her on subconsciously. To us, emotional contrast, the attraction roller coaster. Women are drawn to emotional contrast, a mix of challenge and comfort. Challenge, slightly unpredictable, playful, teasing. Comfort, safety, warmth, understanding. When you balance these two, you create subtle tension, which triggers desire without being explicit or cringy. Example: Jake was texting a woman he liked. Instead of sending constant compliments, he joked teasingly, made her laugh, and sometimes didn't reply immediately. Her curiosity grew. She started initiating, playful, interested. The secret? Emotional contrast. 3. The power of subtlety. Here's the psychological trick most men ignore. Less is more. Subtle touch, slight teasing, confident tone, and selective attention all trigger attraction. Overdoing compliments, over-texting, or being too eager kills desire. Mini cliffhanger. In the next section, I'll show you specific psychological tricks that turn women on instantly without being cheesy, cringy, or over the top. Part 2. Psychological tricks, common mistakes. Section 2. Psychological tricks that turn her on. Now that you understand the psychology of attraction, it's time to learn specific tricks that turn women on without being cringy. These are subtle, high impact, and rooted in how the brain responds to desire. 1. Tease her subtly. Teasing isn't insulting, it's playful, confident, and creates emotional contrast. Example: if she jokes about being late, you say, "Wow, I see punctuality isn't your strong suit, but I guess I can forgive you this time." Why it works: it triggers playful tension, makes her laugh, and creates intrigue. Psychology. Subtle teasing signals confidence and dominance without arrogance. Mini cliffhanger. Most men either tease badly, mean, or don't tease at all. The ones who master playful teasing are magnetic without even trying. 2. Use controlled eye contact. Eye contact is a silent subconscious trigger for desire. Long enough to signal confidence, short enough to avoid awkwardness. Look at her eyes, not her lips. Subtlety is key. Psychology. Eye contact communicates interest, dominance, and connection simultaneously. Story example: Alex was at a bar. Instead of trying to impress her with words, he locked eyes for a second longer than normal, smiled slightly, and moved on. She noticed. Later, she said she felt drawn to him, without understanding why. Lorient's touch strategically. Touch is powerful but must be subtle and non-cringy. Light touches on the shoulder, arm, or back in context. Avoid overdoing it. Too much needers creepiness. Psychology. Touch triggers dopamine and oxytocin, creating intimacy without words. Mini cliffhanger. Most men either avoid touch entirely or overdo it. Subtlety is the secret weapon. 4. Voice tone and pacing. The way you speak affects attraction. Lower, confident tones, more dominant, attractive. Slow pacing creates suspense and tension. Pauses make words more impactful. Example: instead of rushing to compliment her, Alex said, You know, there's something about you that's really interesting. The pause made her lean in, curious. 5. Scarcity and selective attention. Giving attention strategically increases desire. Don't reply instantly to every message. Engage fully when interacting, but stay slightly unpredictable. Psychology, scarcity, such value. Men who are selective with attention are more desirable. Story example. David noticed she liked texting late at night. He didn't respond immediately every time. She started initiating more, sending playful messages, trying to get his attention. He became mentally scarce, increasing attraction. 6. Use humor wisely. Humor works best when playful, teasing, and confident, not overused or desperate for approval. Psychology. Laughter triggers dopamine, builds connection and excitement. Mini story. Mike made a small joke about their shared experience. She laughed harder than expected, leaned closer, and suddenly there was subtle tension in the room. Excitement, anticipation, desire. Section 3. Common mistakes men make that kill attraction. Even with these tricks, most men fail because they make subtle mistakes that destroy desire instantly. 1. Being overly complimentary. Too many compliments, validation, not attraction. Women respond subconsciously to challenge and mystery. Not praise, psychology. Compliments remove tension, making you predictable. Example. Chris complimented every part of her outfit in one conversation. She appreciated it but lost interest quickly. He seemed eager and predictable. 2. Trying too hard to impress. Bragging or over-explaining accomplishments garnered low perceived value. Women desire confidence without desperation. Story. Eric kept explaining his job, his hobbies, and what he could offer her. She nodded politely but eventually pulled back. Why? She wasn't drawn to the sales pitch. She wanted mystery and value naturally. Over-texting or over-engaging. Constant texting kills emotional contrast. Subtle scarcity triggers attraction. Over-availability kills it. Mini cliffhanger. The guy who ignores this is usually invisible, in her mind before she even realizes it. 4. Sharing too much too soon. Deep personal stories or feelings early removes intrigue. Mystery on Dawn's arousal trigger. Oversharing a boring story. Example. Nick told a woman about his life struggles on the first date. She nodded empathetically but didn't feel sexual tension. The connection was emotional, not desire-driven. 5. Being desperate for validation. Needy behavior. Instant attraction killer. Confidence in your own life. Attractive. Psychology, attraction, amours independence. High-value behavior. Mini cliffhanger. Most men think nice, attentive, and available at attraction. It's the exact opposite. Section 4. Advanced psychological triggers that make her desire you. Now we get to the part most men completely miss. Subtle triggers that work on her subconscious mind. These are the invisible levers of desire. 1. Create anticipation, not immediate gratification. Humans crave delayed rewards. Instant gratification is boring. Instead of giving attention or emotional response immediately, create slight anticipation. Example. Send a playful message, wait an hour or two before responding. She will naturally think about you more. Story example. Jason texted Emily, "I have a story you're going to laugh at. I'll tell you later." Instead of spilling it immediately, he waited. She kept checking her phone, curious, excited, and invested emotionally. Mini cliffhanger. Most men ruin attraction because they give away everything up front. The anticipation is what makes women desire you subconsciously. 2. Emotional contrast on a deeper level. Not just teasing or joking, but switching between dominance and warmth subtly. Example, during conversation confidently disagree once, then laugh and show understanding. Why it works. Your unpredictability triggers dopamine spikes, making her more drawn to you. Story example. Aaron was on a date. She teased him about being late. He smiled, raised an eyebrow, and said, "Maybe I just like keeping you guessing." Later, he complimented her humor sincerely. That balance of tension and comfort made her extremely engaged. 3. Use scarcity of presence. Your physical or digital presence should be selective. Psychology, scarcity, high perceived value. Don't respond instantly to texts. Be present and fully engaged when interacting, but not always available. Mini story. David stopped checking his phone constantly during texting. She noticed, initiated conversations more, and became playful and flirty. His scarcity made him irresistible subconsciously. 4. Subtle physical cues. Microexpressions, posture, and touch influence attraction on a subconscious level. Slight lean, confident stance, and brief contextual touch increases arousal without words. Example: light brush of hand when making a point, playful touch on the arm during laughter. Mini cliffhanger. Most men either ignore these cues or overdo them. Subtlety is the key. 5. Confidence through nonchalance. Acting too eager kills desire. Confidence is calm, controlled, and slightly detached. Don't chase her approval. Instead, show that your attention is valuable. Story example: Mark met a woman at a party. She flirted and teased him. Instead of overreacting, he smiled, stayed relaxed, and continued enjoying his night. She became instantly more interested, curious about him. Section 5. Step-by-step application. Here's how to apply these principles in real life. Open playfully. Start with teasing, subtle humor, or intriguing statements. Use eye contact and touch strategically. Short, confident glances. Light contextual touch. Pull back attention. Occasionally, let her chase sometimes. Don't always initiate. Create emotional contrast. Mix playful challenge with warmth and understanding. Maintain mystery. Don't overshare personal stories or feelings early. Confidence is key. Calm, non-needy, high-value behavior signals attraction. When done consistently, these steps make her subconsciously desire you without cringe, over-explaining, or desperation. If you're starting to see how subtle psychology can completely change attraction, hit that like button right now. Comment below if you've ever accidentally been too eager and killed desire, and subscribe to the channel. More videos on dark psychology, attraction, and high-value behavior are coming that will literally change the way you interact with women forever. Conclusion. Here's the truth most men don't understand. Attraction isn't about lines, gestures, or even looks. It's about psychology, subtle cues, scarcity, and emotional contrast. When you master these triggers, you become magnetic. Women will feel drawn to you without you ever trying too hard. You don't need to be cringy, desperate, or obvious. You just need to understand how desire works. Start applying these tricks today. Tease her playfully. Create emotional contrast. Be selectively present and maintain confidence. Watch as her attraction grows naturally, effortlessly, and on a subconscious level. Remember, turning her on isn't about trying. It's about subtle psychology done right. Like this video if it helped. Comment your experiences below, and subscribe for more insights on dark psychology, attraction, and high-value behavior. Your journey to mastering attraction starts now.